Whenever people talk about Vietnam, they always mention about pho, Vietnamese beef noodle soup, as a best traditional food in Vietnam, and people should have tried that whenever they visit there. However, there's still one special and popular food that Vietnamese people love to eat, which is 17 items and 5 easy steps. Today I will show you how to make Vietnamese summer roll. I'm credible to talk to you about this because this is my own experience in making it many times. And you should listen to me because it's gonna make you smarter and happier. Now that you have know that I want to tell you how to make a Vietnamese summer roll, let's get started with the item required. For this, you will need 17 items. That is the rice paper wrapper, the rice noodles, lettuce, bean sprout, chive, herbs, hoisin sauce, peanut butter, pork and shrimp, coconut water, coconut milk, crushed peanut, chili, measuring cup, sausage pan, and cutting board. I don't mention the exactly number of the ingredient on this because it gonna depends on how much you would like to put on your rolls, and you're gonna easy find it on any Asian market. Now that I have told you what you will need to make a summer roll, let's discuss the step. For the first step, you need to boil water and you have to cook the noodles for 5 to 7 minutes or until you can see it soft like this. And then for next step, you're gonna rinse your veggie. For example, you can rinse lettuce, bean sprout, chive, and the herb. Set them aside and you can jump into the third step. On the third step, you have to boil another water and you put the pork on that and cook for 15 minutes. And when it's done, you take it out and cut it thinly like this one. Use that same water and you're gonna put the shrimp on that and cook it until the color turn into red like this. And then you're gonna peel up the skin and cut in half like this one. Set them aside and then you will jump to one of the most important steps on this. In every Vietnamese roll, we're gonna need a deep bean sauce, and for this one, we need to make a peanut sauce. For the peanut sauce, you're gonna get the sausage pan, turn on the medium heat, and you're gonna put 1 cup of hoisin sauce, 1 cup of peanut sauce, and 1 cup of coconut water on it. Mix it well, and after you're done, you need to put a half cup of coconut milk on this. This is my secret ingredient on this because it's gonna make your sauce more crispy and tasty. When it's done, you turn off the heat and then let it cool down. When you serve, you're gonna put a crushed peanut on this and a chili on this sauce if you want. Now come to the last step, that is wrapping a roll. It sounds like easy to wrap a roll, but if you not be careful, you're gonna break it easily. First step, you get a cutting board and you're gonna get a piece of paper, put a little water on this, let it wait for 3 seconds. Then you're gonna get your lettuce to put it on the bottom of the roll. Then you're gonna put a noodles on this, on the top of lettuce. You're gonna add a bean sprout on this, add a herbs. Then you're gonna fold the bottom of the roll and you're gonna add a pork and shrimp on the roll. Then you're gonna fold the left side and the right side. You're gonna fold from the bottom to the end. When you come to the end, you put a chive on this. Put a little more water at the end of the roll. And finally, you're gonna have a beautiful roll like this. I make it here. Here's the roll I made it before. Now you know what step you're gonna need to make a summer roll. Let's jump into the conclusion. With just 17 items and 5 easy steps, you know how to make a summer roll. I mentioned it's a special food in Vietnam because for just 5 rolls, you're gonna have enough energy for a day. Also, it can turn into a healthy food in your diet plan. Last but not least, for those ingredients, it can fit for 5 people. And when you have time, I hope that you're gonna make it and share with your friends and your family.